TFNN. Headline News Update.
Good morning, everybody. I'm Tommy O'Brien, coming to you live from TFNN headquarters in St. Petersburg, Florida. It's Tuesday, 9 a.m. Eastern time, 30 minutes to go until the opening bell, and we got a negative market to start things off. We got some action in bonds. We got some action in gold. Dow futures right now negative by 77 points, trading at 25,790. S&P's negative by 8, trading at 2872. NASDAQ futures negative by 24 points, trading at 7540. We're going to start things off this morning. We're going to jump over to the VIX. Quite a day yesterday in the markets, escalating to negative action. Today seems to be starting off in the same direction. You now have the VIX above 21, 21, 29 as volatility being priced into this market as you would expect. We'll jump over to the charts. We'll start it off with the Dow 30. So, you know what? We're going to jump off. We're going to start it off with the news of the day because it's all going to affect the charts before we get into it. CPI rises amid increase in gas and shelter costs. So you have the CPI rising 0.3% last month, lifted by gains in the cost of energy products and a range of other goods, the Labor Department saying. That news out at about 8:30. You also have the yield curve almost inverted as you have the 10-year yield now topping the 2-year rate by just 3 basis points. And check out that chart. Pretty cool. Going back to just the beginning of January. Talk about a far cry from where we are right now. And you're looking at the 10-year in yellow, the 2-year in blue, and they are right next to each other. So with that in mind, looking at the charts, Dow 30 trading 25,795, just off the lows we made within about the last half hour. NASDAQ 100 trading at 75.42. We're up to a high last night of about 75.93. S&P is trading at 28.73. On a brief occasion, we were down there at 28.68 early this morning, down there about 28.67, so right near the lows. Crude oil with some volatility, check that out, 55.27 at about 4:45 a.m. Eastern time. You trade all the way down to a low of 54.23. We're just above that level at 54.42. Gold contract, quite a number on gold. 15.45, folks. Quite a number, backing off a bit. 15.32 right now, but gold will just not quit. And the euro US dollar with a little bit of volatility as well, trading at 112.19. In terms of what else you have out there, a little bit of unrest going on again over in the Hong Kong airport as they are dealing with protesters. Hopefully nothing escalates over there. And we'll finish it up with a chart of that 10-year. 1.647%. Quite a number. Stay tuned, folks. We got our man Larry Pesavento coming up right now with Trade What You See. I'll be back at 10 o'clock with Tom, live programming all day at TFNN. Have a great Tuesday.